Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Jenofeve Designs. And today we're going to be continuing on with our Wanderlust printable mini album template journey. We are making the hybrid version, the large hybrid version of this new template. So this is meant to be a hybrid kind of memory keeping album that's, you know, kind of mini album, kind of traveler's notebook, a little bit of both. So as usual, the templates will be linked in the description box below that says show more. Down there, there's a whole bunch of information. The templates are there. If you're just now joining us or you just now found this video and you want to see this part, this project made from beginning to now, there is a playlist down in the show more section. You just hit that playlist and it'll start you at the beginning. It'll talk about my templates and all the things that come with the templates. And then it'll start building this project from the covers to now. And I will also link any and all products that I used as best I can in the show more section below. So you'll have to excuse my voice. I'm a little hoarse. Last night my son had a soccer game and it's like a tournament type game where the winner of this game is the team that gets to go to the state tournament. So it was pretty late, and then we were doing a lot of cheering, and I almost lost my voice. So you have to excuse my voice. And it's early in the morning, and it's on Tuesday, and I'm trying to get this filmed for you guys so I can actually get it up today for you guys. So what we're going to do is we are going to make some pockets for this is the main base layer 2, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so this is the main base layer 2 right here. So we're going to make some pockets for this. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and take the traveler's notebooks out that we've already made and put in here, just so that it'll lay flatter. I need to get a bigger bulldog clip there. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out. And now we have more of a flat surface to work with. So this is the vintage background. I've been getting a lot of questions about how to print the templates and why do they come with something on them. Can they print them on their pattern paper? And the whole point of my templates, besides the fact of taking all the besides the fact of taking all the measurements out for you, you don't have to do any measuring. If you just want to print the background designs onto plain white cardstock, you can. Or you can even print the background design onto pattern paper. But it also comes with a set of plain templates that just have the distressed edge all the way around that you can print onto any paper you want. So what we're going to do, I have printed page number 4, which is main base layer 3. I have printed 2 of them onto vellum, and this is currently the vellum that I'm using right now just because I can have easy access to it. So this one is made for inkjet and laser printers. So I printed 2 of these off onto vellum, and then I also printed, page 11, and that I printed onto my digital paper, the Floral Whimsy. These are all available in my Etsy shop, the digital papers and the printable templates. This is from PDF number 1. This is like the full background. So I printed page 11, and what we're going to be using are these 2 pockets right here. So if you're using a different size, if you're using the medium, look for these 2 pockets. And then one last thing, all the way back here in the small, whoops, too far. Here, page number 6 is the little pockets for the small templates. So I printed that with the vintage background onto vellum once again. So that's all we're going to need from the templates. So what I'm going to do, first let's do these. I'm actually going to cut these out at the same time. This is a Fiskars Precision Heavy Duty Paper Trimmer. So I'm going to cut the bottom off because we don't need that. And then I'm going to cut this smaller pocket off. And I'm going to cut this long tab off of here. Just like that. So then I'm going to put this in my pile of stuff that we can use for this album. So those two are done. And then I'm going to cut, let me show you. I'll do this on the bigger one because they get cut out the exact same way. So we're going to use both of these pockets here, but the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to separate that. We might even, no, we're probably not going to use that right now. I'm going to put that in my pile. And then I think I'm going to use my scissors. So then all we're going to do is we're going to cut out these two pockets. I printed this Floral Whimsy background onto 110-pound cardstock. You don't have to use heavy cardstock like that. You could use 65-pound. So all of the pockets are going to get cut out this way. So we're not going to be using this triangle flip just yet. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it away and put that in my pile. So I'm going to cut this pocket out and these two pockets out, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I've got everything cut out, and I forgot to turn the camera back on. This is an EK Tool scoreboard and stylus, and all we're going to do is, I've already scored all of these tabs. I scored both of these tabs on the little pockets and on the two big pockets. So when it comes to vellum, you need to be really careful when you score. I'm using the bigger ball that's on the stylus just to make sure I don't go through the vellum, because that happens. You guys, I finally had time to do my nails yesterday. Well, I didn't have time. I had to make time. I did them early in the morning, and I was in such a hurry. And can I just say that when you're in a hurry doing your own nails, you're going to tear your cuticles up. And I certainly did that. And I also bruised my hand yesterday packing some of the class kits for Maidicon. I'm just a hot mess right now, you guys. Okay, so now I'm going to take a minute and I'm going to prep all of these score marks. And you have to kind of be gentle with the vellum. Even though you scored it, it still doesn't want to behave. So you just want to take a minute and just coax it. And once you get it scored, don't try to, you know, flip it back and forth, because you'll probably break it. So I'm going to go ahead and prep all of these, and then I'll be back. Okay, I've got them all prepped, and now I am just inking up the edges. And with these, I'm just really taking the white bits off. So I'm using Distress Oxide Walnut Stain. But I'm really just taking the white edge from the paper off. No big deal, because these are already have distressed edges. So, alright, so now I'm going to take my tape, if I can find it. Oh, lordy, lordy, lordy. My workspace is a disaster. So this is scrapbook.com 1/4 inch double-sided adhesive. Where's my other thingy? I need to try to get that up under there without breaking anything. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to put tape on all these tabs. on all these pieces. And then I will be back. Okay, so I have all the tape on, and then I've started to attach the bottom of the pockets to the side of the pockets. Some people say you don't have to do this, that it's kind of a waste of time, and that's okay. You don't have to do this. You don't even have to have them overlap. So it's totally up to you. So I've already done that to the rest of them. I'm just trying to save some editing time here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take these vellum pockets. Well, first I'm going to make sure they fit properly before we undo any tape. Now on the edge here, we can always, trim some of the edge piece off. So I'm mainly just focusing on these two side parts. So let's go ahead and remove the backing from this tape and stick the first one down. So we don't want to go too close to that score mark on the spine there. We want to kind of go like 1/32 of an inch away from it. I haven't eaten yet this morning, and I am most certainly shaky. Okay, and then I'm going to carefully lay this down on that side there, and carefully pull that apart and lay this down on this side here. I am working on something else, you guys, other than all the other stuff I've been doing. And if it works out, I think you guys are going to be totally excited. What is that? Let me get a baby wipe. I think you guys are going to be super excited when you find out what it is. What is that? I got something on my thing there. Well, I don't know. It's probably a paper cut. I'm probably bleeding. Okay, so there's one pocket. And how bad did it go over? Oh, not bad at all. As a matter of fact, I can just leave that. Well, anyway, so I'm also communicating back and forth with someone about this other secret project that I'm doing. Oh, let me check this one on this side. That I'm pretty excited about. I think you guys are going to be super stoked. Okay. So I might have to stop and take a phone call while I'm filming here. See, that is a paper cut. Goodness. So same thing on this side. We're going to go like 1/32 of an inch away from that score. We want to be careful here. We want to match up the two ends, or the tops and the bottoms. Oh, and that one matched up mucho better. And then we want to burnish that down. Just like that. Okay, so now we've got two vellum pockets right here. That's ink right there. So we got two vellum pockets. And so then the next thing we want to do is we want to take these two pockets here, and we are going to attach these pockets to those pockets. So let me go ahead and take the backing off of this. Since I'm so shaky. So now we have something that looks like that. So let me go ahead and do this one. Okay, so now we can either put the pockets here in these two corners, or we can flip them and put them there in those two corners. I don't know. What do you guys think? Since we've already got one of these side pockets, right? I'm thinking we should put them like this and have pockets this way. What do you guys think? I like it. That's what we're going to do. So let's go ahead and take the backing off of here. And I'm going to carefully, without shaking, add this to the bottom here. And down the side. I'm going to burnish that. And I'm going to add this one. Add this to the bottom. Perfect. I totally dig it. What do you guys think? I think it looks so cool. So now let me get something. Let me find something. Something. Come on, I've got to have something somewhere. So now you have a pocket here. You have a pocket here, 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 and then you have pockets on each side. And what's really cool is no matter what you put in there, you're going to be able to see it. So I totally dig that. What do you guys think? I think it's super cute. And then, that's one thing you have to do. Sometimes with vellum, you kind of have to start training it. Why is it stuck all the way down? Did I get the glue in the wrong spot? Let's see. Let me find something flat. How about my ruler? There we go. Sometimes you have to train the vellum just a little bit more than paper so that it knows it's not supposed to be so snuggly wuggly. Okay, now let's see if that'll go in a little bit. Yeah, see, that goes in way better now. Yeah, perfect. Okay, you guys, that is all we're going to do for today. I'm going to try to go ahead and film another one for you guys so that you can have it for Thursday. And if all goes well, maybe I can get another one filmed. Maybe you could have three this week instead of 2. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Do let me know what you think in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and hit this circle right here. And then here's a link to my Etsy shop if you're interested in the templates or in the digital paper, Floral Whimsy. And there should be some other videos here on the screen that you may enjoy watching. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.